How to fix MLB The Show 23 server error. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to make sure that you are connected to stable internet connection. Make sure that the Wi-Fi that you are connected to is stable enough. If not, try rejoining it. Once you have the better Wi-Fi quality, the next thing you want to try doing is simply restart your device. Click on Restart. Most of the time, restarting the device has also fixed the issue. If not, try uninstalling the application. Click on Remove App and then once again tap on Delete App. Once deleted, reinstall the application and try using the application once again. It should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.